Here is a most awaited video of ginger turmeric shots. The four ingredients are ginger, turmeric root, black peppercorns, and lemon juice. When you blend all this together, you get a very potent anti-inflammatory drink, and this is super healthy and beneficial. Add all these to a blender jar and blend well. Ginger aids in digestion, fights nausea, reduces inflammation, boosts immunity, and supports heart health. Turmeric also reduces inflammation, supports joint health, boosts immunity, and may improve heart and brain health. Now, turmeric and black pepper are often combined because the piperine in black pepper can significantly enhance the absorption of curcumin, the active compound of turmeric. This combination actually can lead to increased bioavailability of curcumin by up to 2000%, according to Johns Hopkins Medicine. We added all the ingredients to a blender jar and blended. If the mixture is too thick, then you can add a little bit of water to it. Here we scoop the ginger turmeric pulp with a spoon in the ice trays and place this ice trays in the freezer for a couple of hours. Turmeric and black pepper have n number of traditional benefits, including reducing inflammation and improving digestion. Lemon juice actually also boosts immunity, aids digestion, supports hydration, and provides the vitamin C needed. These ice trays are placed in a freezer for a couple of hours till we get the beautiful golden ice cube. Here are the beautiful golden turmeric ginger ice cubes. You can use them in smoothies or as a tea. Ginger turmeric ice cubes are ready. Add this cube to your smoothie or a boiling water for a ginger turmeric tea, or you can just enjoy it by melting it like a ginger shot. This is how they can be stored in a Ziploc bag so you can use it later.